You probably want to know your real win rate. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to calculate your win rate accurately without guessing. So firstly, you have to take a piece of paper, or you might write it on a book, or just do it simply on your phone, but it's more easier when you're doing it on a piece of paper, right? So right here, you'll be writing this kind of table, which will have your row for bets. Then it has to be 1 up to 10, right? So here you have to take 10 bets. You have to take 10 bets, right? So each bet equals to 10%. So yeah, each bet equals to 10%, right? So here you can see that there's the row for bets, row for won, loss. So right here, you'll just like tick when you won. Let me see, you take the first bet. If you want it, you tick on the won, or if you lost it, you tick on the loss. So yeah, moving on the next step, right? That's where you have to take your 10 bets. So here, you don't really have to take the 10 bets in one day. Maybe, let me say, today is Monday, right? If there's a team of which is playing that you trust it, you could place your bet on the team. So another tip of which I could give to you guys, right? When you bet, right, you could also bet for obvious bets. I'm not sure if you understand me when I say obvious bets. For an example, if you check here, Real Madrid vs Sevilla FC, you can see that the odds, like check the odds right here. Check the odds of Real Madrid, 1,23. And the odds of the opposite team, 12 odds. This is an obvious bet. It's obvious that Real Madrid could win this match. It's obvious, guys. So these are the type of bets of which you should take. Don't be trying to like win. For instance, right now you have 10 rand in your bank account, right? And you're trying to grow your bankroll. For instance, sure, you have that 10 rand. Then you're trying to get 50 rand with that 10 rand. You might risk your money there because you might lose it all. So don't be fighting for higher odds. No, build your bankroll slowly, right? Don't chase higher odds. Higher odds equals to higher risks. So here you can see this is just 1,23 and it's an obvious bet. You could win with that 10 rand. Like, you should look at it on the other side. For instance, right now, this is, let me say, 1,23 odds, right? Imagine if you are betting with 10k, right? So 10k, right, times 1,23, you might get 2,600. Yeah, you might get 2,600 or 2,300. Like, imagine, look at it in a bigger picture. Don't look at it in a small picture. Because yeah, if you just bet with 10 rand, you're just gonna get 1 rand. You understand? So you should build your bankroll slowly. Don't be fighting to get higher odds while you know very well that is a risk. You could lose all your money in one bet. So yeah, guys, as I said, you obviously like one bet equals to 10%. Then after betting on those 10 bets, again, you have to record everything. Every bet, you have to record it, okay? Like, you have to, let me just say, write it on a piece of paper as you look at the table of which I showed you, of which is this picture, right? You should like draw this kind of thing and tick your wins and losses. No matter every loss you get, even if you want to win a straight ticket, guys, so you guys should know what's your win rate so you can fix it. Yeah. Right now we're moving on this third step, right? After that, you should check your results. This is the results. You should check your results. So obviously, as I said, every bet equals to 10%, right? So here you can just say, let me say, after this 10 bets, right, you won, let me say, 4 out of the 10 bet, which means your win rate equals to 40%, which is not profitable. Because for you to be profitable, your win rate has to be above 50%, right? So your win rate, like, you could grow your bankroll positively and profitable. should be profitable, right? So yeah, guys, as I said, everybody goes to 10%. I'm sure you guys are already getting what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, if you really want to know about markets of which you should use or you should focus on that are easier to win using them, you could check out my playlist where I explain every bet that you could think of when you get to Betway or any other betting platform. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.